Hi friends, in today's quick video I'll show you how you can add a desktop shortcut for shutdown in Windows 11. Creating a desktop shortcut that lets you turn off your Windows 11 computer quickly can be quite handy. It lets you shut your computer down without opening the start menu and clicking on the power button. So here is how you can create a shortcut. First you have to right click on the empty area of your desktop. And from here just go to the show more options. Just click on new. Now from here just click on shortcut. Now in the location section type in the following command, that is shutdown/s/t0, then click on next. Now in this window you can give the name for your shortcut. I'm giving it as shutdown. Then click on finish. Now you can see that a new icon is available here, that is shutdown. Now you can just double click on the shutdown desktop shortcut to turn off your computer. Now if you want to create a keyboard shortcut for this shutdown button, then again you have to right click on this shutdown, then take the properties. Now here in this shortcut key, now place the cursor here and press the key combination you want to use to shut down your computer, such as Ctrl-Alt-L. You'll get it here, and then click on apply, then click on OK. Now if you want to customize this shutdown, then right click on it and then go to the properties again, and from here just click on change icon and then open it, and you can give the icon which you prefer. Click on OK, then apply and OK. So hope you have enjoyed this video. For watching, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.